In this video, you will learn how to use the snipping tool. The snipping tool is available on PCs, MacBooks, and Chromebooks. For the purpose of this video, I will show you how to use the snipping tool on a PC. On the bottom left-hand side, you'll notice your magnifying glass. I'm going to click there and type snipping, and then I'm going to select open. Now, instead of taking a screenshot of all the images, I can actually, with my snipping tool, just take a picture or a snip of the image that I want. So I'm going to select New. When I click on New, my cursor becomes a crosshairs. You'll notice that the screen is grayed out, and I want to get the picture the pigeon has to go to school. So I am going to be on the top corner. I'm going to click, and I'm going to drag across. As I'm dragging across, you'll notice that the image that I'm highlighting is the true color. So this is what I want. When I let go, it appears in my snipping tool window. I can save the snipping tool to my computer. I can print the picture directly, or I can simply click Control-C to copy the image. And then I'm going to go to the Google slide deck where I want to paste it, and I'm going to simply right-click and press Control-V. And there you have it. My image is in my Google slide deck. So no longer do you have to take screenshots of the whole page. The snipping tool makes it easy to just choose the image that you want. Hope that helps.